Biden and Senator Bernie Sanders are touting nearly $1 billion in savings on prescription drugs for 1.5 million Medicare patients.
And they're looking forward to even bigger savings next year. Here's ABC's Jacqueline Lee with a story from Los Angeles.
President Joe Biden taking a victory lap on cutting health care costs and lowering prescription drug prices.
The American taxpayer is going to save $160 billion lowering the deficit. $160 billion.
The president in New Hampshire today with Senator Bernie Sanders from neighboring Vermont. Sanders has long been a vocal advocate, fighting against big pharma and fighting for free health care for all.
The American people, whether they are Democrats, Republicans, or independents, are sick and tired of paying by far the highest prices in the world for prescription drugs.
A new Department of Health and Human Services report shows nearly 1.5 million Medicare enrollees saved nearly $1 billion on prescription drugs in the first half of 2024. Those savings a result of the Inflation Reduction Act. It put a cap on out-of-pocket drug costs.
Medicare was prohibited by law from negotiating lower drug prices. And those costs then got passed on to our seniors, but not anymore.
The 2022 Inflation Reduction Act also capped insulin costs at $35 a month for Americans on Medicare.
Kamala and Joe tried to take credit for $35 insulin. You know that. You know who did that? I did that.
Actually, former President Trump's 2020 cap was voluntary. Prescription drug plans could choose to participate or not. The Biden administration made it mandatory for all Medicare patients on insulin. Jacqueline Lee, ABC News, Los Angeles.
Starting next year, the out-of-pocket cap for prescriptions for those on Medicare will drop to $2,000 a year, and that's expected to save 19 million Americans $7.4 billion.